Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And I think actually that I should done this video a long time ago when I started doing YouTube, or especially now when I'm at my all-time high in terms of subscribers, views and watch hours, which is great support from your side. So a quick and heartfelt thank you from me to you as dear viewer. I hope you enjoy the videos, otherwise you wouldn't watch them. And yeah, this video is more or less an introduction video of myself, because I think I haven't done this yet, and I think it's time to finally do it. My name is Colin Knight. My real life name I don't really want to share because of privacy reasons. And yeah, I'm 20 years old. I'm from Germany. And I think you know this because I already talked a lot of times about me being German and making German content until 1st of August 2025. So about a month ago I stopped doing German videos, but they are still up. If you are German and rather watch them as my English content, you can always go back and watch them. And again, no, I did not decide to never make German content again. I leave this opportunity open for myself for the future, but right now I am too busy and can only do English content. So yeah. Anyways, I'm 20, I'm from Germany. I love pretty much everything around cars, diecasts, Lego, real life cars, driving one, racing one obviously is a dream, but I think I'm never gonna reach that. In a competitive race, obviously, not street racing illegally. And yeah, I pretty much grew up with liking cars, or people around me liking cars, like my grandfather, from which I actually got this Ferrari F300, which is a really nice car. And yeah, this is pretty much everything there is to say. My name is Colin Knight, I'm 20, from Germany. I love everything around cars. I love making content about it. And yeah, it seems like you guys are enjoying it too, otherwise you wouldn't watch it and subscribe to my channel, which I'm actually really thankful for. Because if we go to my first diecast video that I made in February, so about half a year ago, or even 7 months ago, I don't know, I would have to look it up. 6.5 months, something like that, probably. I started doing YouTube videos not for fun, but because these diecast videos, especially, I should clarify, because I felt like sharing my love to cars with you. And since then we grew from 80 or 89 subscribers all the way up to, as I'm making this video, 260 subscribers, or 265. I didn't look at my channel yet again since yesterday, and we were like at 262 or something like that. And yeah, oh man, I'm really sweating. It's really hot, oh man. Anyways, yeah, I'm really thankful for that growth in a half a year. And even if I only, that's like almost 200 subscribers gained in half a year, pretty much. And in terms of views, you guys are absolutely bombastic as well, because we have a, I think, monthly average, or a 28-day average of over 10,000 views, or even 20,000 views by now, I don't know, and over 120 watch hours in the last 28 days in the same time, which is just incredible. Because when I started, I was happy about having 5 views per month and half a hour of playtime of my videos combined, and now I have a little bit more. And yeah, I'm really thankful for the support. Obviously I'm gonna keep going. This is just somewhat of an introduction video of myself, even though I have should it done a long time ago, as I already said, but I'm doing it now. And yeah, this thing is still open to vote, guys, so get to it. Write in the comments what you would like to see here, especially from this side down here. But we can also move some cars from here up here, and then we have some space here, which you get it, I think. And yeah, actually I'm going, today is Friday, so if you're watching this, it's either Saturday or Sunday. I don't know how fast I get to editing and uploading this, but on this Saturday I'm going hunting, because Smiths has finally the Hot Wheels Legends Tour Porsche 935 in the action or sale, I guess. If you buy 25 or 30 euros of Hot Wheels content. Now I don't know if Hot Wheels content in general, so mainline, silver lines and premiums, or just 30 euros in premium cars or Hot Wheels premium stuff to get the car for free. But yeah, I'm trying to get it. I hope they have it still in stock when I'm coming tomorrow. And yeah, if I have it, I'm obviously gonna present it on this channel. And for that one, I actually have something very special planned as well. So I guess if you want to see that, please subscribe. And with this, I would like to end the video at this point. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see for this corner, and what you would like to see next in general in terms of content. And yeah, gaming content is coming from tomorrow. I think tomorrow is starting the first final round of Grand Prix for the DS-E10's performance. And obviously I'm gonna make a video about it because it's gonna help you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.